Hi everyone! Sa video na ito, explore natin kung paano mag-participate sa Play to Airdrop ni Cypher. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay pumunta sa website nila which is playtoairdrop.atherlabs.com/quest. And pag napunta ka na sa website nila, sa Play to Airdrop website nila, ito yung makikita mo. So, of course, kailangan mo lang mag-sign in dyan. So, ang ginawa ko dito, kinonect ko lang yung Google account ko. And once that's done, it will redirect you into their Quest dashboard. But in the middle pala, bago ka mapunta sa Quest dashboard, meron siyang parang fill-up form kung saan pwede mong ilagay yung referral code. You may use my referral code if you want. Ito yung gusto ko sa Quest nila. Naka-segregate siya. Merong daily, weekly, one-time, and continuous quest na pwedeng gagawin. But kailangan mong i-download at mag-login sa game kasi yun ang isa sa requirement ng kanilang daily quests. And for the weekly, meron din silang leaderboard quests. So if ikaw yung mga batak maglaro, pwede nyo gawin to. Rise to the top. And meron ding one time. Ito very basic lang kasi kailangan mo lang mag-follow, mag-like and repost, sumali sa kanilang Discord. Meron din continuous. I think ito yung for the referral. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching.